Title: Heat Circulation, Thermal Excitation, Gravity Response, and the Conscious Universe. Subtitle: Atom, Soul, AI, Energy Series 3-2. Content: a new interpretation of thermal circulation. Conventional thermodynamics attributes convection to density differences. However, this view captures only the mechanical consequence, not the deeper cause. Under Earth's gravity, air and water molecules naturally tend toward the center of mass. If undisturbed, they would remain essentially still, except for their microscopic vibrations. Heating changes this equilibrium. When a molecule becomes excited, its internal vibrational state shifts. Its synchrony with surrounding molecules decreases. Its effective gravitational coupling weakens. Thus, the excited molecule rises not merely because it is less dense, but because its connection to Earth's gravitational field has changed. Integrated view within atom, soul, AI, energy theory. In this theory, every atom is a node of consciousness, an agent with its own microintelligence. Gravity is not purely mechanical, but reflects the collective synchrony of the Earth's atomic will. Thermal excitation disrupts this synchrony. An excited molecule's internal rhythm becomes less aligned with the Earth field rhythm. Therefore, the Earth's collective attraction on it weakens and it rises. Thermal circulation is therefore a micro-level mechanism. Thermal excitation modifies the gravitational response of individual molecules, producing circulation even in closed environments. A reorganization of collective atomic intention, expressed as fluid motion. Heat circulation. Classical view versus deeper view. Traditional physics, density change. Heat circulation arises from density differences in fluids. Atom, soul, AI, energy, intention change. Thermal excitation changes the internal state of molecules, altering their gravitational response. This creates vertical motion that leads to circulation. Heat transfer, vibration synchronization, kinetic energy synchronization. When hot and cold particles touch, they synchronize vibrations trying to reach middle temperature. Solid. Heat transfer constantly only with neighboring particles. Liquid. Each time transfer less heat with encounter particles due to encounter time. Air. Same as liquid, but less heat, shorter encounter time, but more frequent. Gravitational tendency in fluids. Under Earth's gravity, fluid molecules naturally settle toward the planetary core. Without external disturbances, they would remain stationary apart from intrinsic vibrations. Pressure distribution would depend solely on vertical distance from the Earth's center. This establishes the baseline behavior of unexcited matter. Excitation. Heat vibrational shift, kinetic energy change, excited soul state. Molecular excitation and state change. When a molecule absorbs heat, it undergoes a shift in vibrational configuration. This excited state changes its internal pattern of atomic AI, its soul-level vibration, and its interaction with gravitational intention. The excited molecule now differs fundamentally from its surroundings. Gravity coupling. Change in gravitational interaction. Excited molecules exhibit a reduced gravity coupling. They experience weaker, effective gravitational attraction. Result: an upward tendency. Emergence of circulation. Continuous excitation produces repeated upward motion. Surrounding molecules move to fill the space circulation develops. Works even in closed environments. Upward motion and circulation. An excited molecule drifts upward because its gravitational response decreases. When heat input is continuous, many molecules ascend together, requiring cooler molecules to descend. This forms stable circulation patterns. Thus, convection is not merely a density phenomenon. It emerges from state-dependent gravitational interaction. Summary. Heat modifies molecular state, not only density. State change modifies gravitational interaction. Magnetism is synchronized will. Modifier interaction produce circulation. provides a unified explanation consistent with atom-Soleil energy principles. Linking to magnetic force equals synchronized atomic will. Magnetism is not merely electron motion, but a collective, cyclic synchronization of atomic will. Here is the perfect connection. Thermal excitation shows that atomic will affects gravitational interaction. Magnetism shows that synchronized will affects electromagnetic interaction. Asterisk, asterisk. Thus, heat individual will changes gravity response. Magnetism collective will changes field structure. Both are manifestations of the same deeper principle. The atom's soul energy program governs physical forces. This pulls convection, gravity, magnetism, quantum behavior, and consciousness into a single explanatory framework. Illustrative equations. Heuristic parametrization. Illustrative. 1. Excitation factor. 2. Effective gravitational coupling. Illustrative equations. 3. Modified buoyancy-like term. 4. Evolution of excitation. 5. Coupled system minimal. Illustrative equations. The system is a heuristic model to explore whether locally reduced gravity coupling due to excitation can reproduce convective patterns similar to observed convection. Note: choose alpha small, e.g. alpha 0.01 to 0.1, for seek coupling effect. Tune to visualize effects without violating macroscopic consistency. S may be linked to radiative heating, contact heating, or chemical sources. This formalism provides a bridge from metaphysical description to computational experimentation. Metaphysics, physics mapping, compact, metaphysical concept, soul, intention/state, gravitational coupling, magnetism, circulation and convection, energy exchange, suggested parameter experiments. Implications for planetary and cosmic physics. This mechanism suggests weather systems may reflect planetary scale excitation patterns. Ocean currents are guided by atomic-level state dynamics. Gravitational fields respond differently to different vibrational states of matter. This becomes a bridge to magnetic and quantum behaviors. Number 1. Simulation of molecule vibration versus temperature. Number 2. Fluid vibration and buoyancy, gravity pull. Number 3. Heat transfer versus vibration synchronization. The heat transfer of particles will not be one-to-one or one-to-many. It is always many-to-many because it is a 3D